Hey guys, David with RV Wholesalers with another RV parts showcase. Today I want to talk to you about the on-the-go ladder. Pretty cool product, very well built, but the really cool thing is it telescopes down to almost nothing. You can see it would fit in this box literally. What that does is save a ton of space. I've seen people try to haul step ladders on the back of their trailers, extension ladders on the back of their trailers. Hey, you've got kind of a safety risk there, but also it just takes up so much space. This thing is really cool because you can slide it right into a storage unit on your unit, right? You can set it inside on the floor. But the really cool thing about it is there's a bracket on the back of your RV, okay? They make these for travel trailers, fifth wheels. You could use them on motorhomes. They even make a version that goes inside for your bunks. But there's a bracket on the back of the RV that we're going to show you that you actually extend this thing, put it right in that bracket. There's no way it can fall off, no way that it can hit the ground. It's very, very safe to use, very lightweight, very convenient, but it gives you access to the roof of your RV. You can say, well, why do I need to get on the roof of my RV? You should always get on the roof of your RV before you put your slide outs in or get on another ladder and check your slide outs, make sure there's no debris up there. But also you need to check your roof every 3 to 6 months, make sure that there's no holes, no tears, right? No punctures, nothing that's damaged that is going to leak. You also need to make sure that you don't have any cracks in your sealant. So it really does a nice job. Just go up there, give it a visual inspection, make sure everything's in great shape. If you see any issues, you can also then seal your roof. But again, this ladder gives you a very lightweight, quick, safe, portable way to access the roof of your unit at any time. Give us a call at 877-877-4494 or check out our website, rvw.com. We'd love to sell you one and get one on its way to you.